Okay, a hypothesis, we basically said, is an educated guess. Doesn't matter where it came from. It's a guess about, it's a statement about reality. A law is a hypothesis, is a statement about the relationship between natural quantities. So gravity, right? Force is the mass of the earth, like, so our weight, my weight, you don't have to know this right now, but I'm showing a connection between the mass of the earth and my mass. Multiply the two of these together, multiply by a constant, divide by the distance between the two, that gives me the force between the earth and me, and that force is what we call weight, right? So that is an example of a law, gravitational law, and we'll see this in a future lecture. Scientific method is allegedly, it's sometimes practiced by scientists but not always. It's an orderly method of gaining, organizing, and applying new knowledge. And as we go through the course, we can comment more on this. A theory we've already talked about as a synthesis of a large amount of information. It's a framework that is used to interpret data. So classic example would, if we talk about the Big Bang theory, right? It's a theory, it's a framework that is used to interpret a bunch of you can put hypotheses on it, and you can interpret data that you observe about the universe based on the Big Bang. Or the theory of evolution, right? So you can think of the Big Bang theory as one theory, the theory of evolution is another theory. It's a framework on which you put the hypotheses, or that you can use to interpret the facts. Are these theories proven? No. Could they be false? Correct. They could be false, right? And it's only as we continue to gain additional data that we can never prove these theories correct. However, we can have increasing or decreasing levels of confidence in the likelihood that these theories might be right, for whatever it's worth, right? Okay, so that's basically the key information from chapter 1. And then at the back of each of these, now all the lecture slides are on the website, right? So you can access all the lecture slides after the lecture or before the lecture at will. I recommend that you read through. At the end of all the lecture slides are a series of these kind of multiple choice questions to help expand your understanding, right? My expectation of you is that you do go over these. I'm not going to go over these multiple choice questions in all of the lectures, right? During the period of the lecturing, my expectation is that you go ahead and look these over either before the lecture or after the lecture is done. And if you have questions on any of these, then bring them up in class for us to discuss. Cool? Do read ahead is my recommendation once you have the textbook. Of course, you need the textbook to read ahead, which might come as a surprise, I know.